Hi everyone, welcome back to Insert Data. Today's day 21 of 45 days DAX challenge series. So today I'll discuss one more time intelligence function, that is total YTD. YTD stands for year to date. So if I tell you the definition, what YTD is and what YTD does, so it basically gives the cumulative sales from start of the year up to the current date. Like, okay, so for example, if I talk about, let's say, year 2025, and the date is present from, let's say, 1st January 2025 till today is 31st of July. So using YTD, we can calculate the cumulative sum from January 1st 2025 till today. Fine. So more I'll explain with proper example. I'll write measure using total YTD and will show you with an example. So before we jump to Power BI desktop, if you are here for the first time, so don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe to the channel. Watch this video till end and follow 45 days DAX challenge playlist. You will have clear understanding of each and every DAX function which I am going to discuss. I'll copy the dataset link into the description box. You can download and practice YTD DAX function by yourself. So without any delay, let's jump to Power BI desktop and understand the table. So here we are on Power BI desktop. So if I explain you the table, so I have one sales data table and total we have 7 columns, right? Order ID, date, customer, product, category, price and region. So here order ID is nothing but the ID of particular order, okay? And the date is on which date customer purchased that product. Customer here is name of the customer, product is the name of the product, and category, like in which category products belong. So if t-shirt, it belongs to apparels. If this is monitor, it belongs to tech. And the price here is the price of each product, and region is from which region this customer belongs. So I hope you understand each and every column. So now I'll go to report view and I'll write measure. So before that, I'll drag one table, I'll insert one table here, okay, and we'll drag this date here. So here date is all 4 columns are coming, like year, quarter, month and day. So I want in this video total YTD. So what I'll do is I'll remove quarter and day here, quarter and day. So I have like year and month only, okay. Now I'll drag this price into this table. So we have like the price, okay. So what is the next task? Next task is I'll create one new measure and we'll write YTD tax. So measure name I'll say, let's say total YTD, okay. So start, how we start, we have total YTD function in Power BI. So it asks for 4 arguments, like first is expression, second argument is date, then filter, then year and date. And the definition, it evaluates the specified expression over the interval which begins on the first day of year and ends with the last day in the specified date column after applying a specified filter. So this is the definition and it's hard to understand, okay. So you will understand by an example. So I want total sales, okay. So what I'll do is I'll say sum of this sales data price, okay, comma. Second argument is asking for date. So date column, which date column I'll refer this date, okay. We will not get the desired answer, so we have to do something else, but as of now I'll take this one only, okay. So if I press enter here, we got one YTD measure, okay, without any error. So what I'll do is I'll drag here, okay. So if I increase the size here 10, I'll change to 20, and the header I'll change to 20, okay. See, we are not getting like cumulative sum. So what we have to do is always remember, when you are dealing with functions like YTD, dates between, or time intelligence function, always you have to create one separate table for date. So I'll create a new table, and table name I'll say date table. So how we create date table? Using calendar asks for two arguments, a start date and end date. So a start date will be the minimum date of date column which in sales data. Okay, so date, I'll say just minimum of, okay, minimum of this sales data date. Okay, and end date is max of sales data date. So yeah, so this 8 January 2020 is the minimum date, and the last row will be the maximum date. So I'll change the format here. First I'll change the data type is date time, so I'll change to date. Okay, and the format we have this one, so I'll change this to DDMMYYY. Okay, and now I'll build a relation between this sales data and date table using date column, because date column is common in both the tables. So I'll drag this date to here, and cardinality will be many to one. Okay, and the cross filter direction will be single. So if I click on save, so we successfully build a relation between the sales data and date table. Now if I go to report view, we will have the desired output. So first is 224 to 244. Okay, so YTD is 244, and next is 195. So YTD is 439. That is nothing but the sum of 244 plus 195. And third is 300, so 439 plus 300, that is 739. And likewise it will go till last day of 2023. So last day of 2023 we have is November 21st 2023. Okay, that is 4296. So 4296 nothing but the total sales of year 2023. Okay, and whenever we will jump to year 2023, the cumulative sum here will stop and it will start from a start. Okay, so here sum of price is 100. See, YTD is 100. It is not calculating this 4296 plus 100, that is 4396. It is not calculating. Why? Because year is changing here. Okay, year is changing, 2023 now 2024. That's the reason the YTD resets and it starts from 0. Okay, that is the reason. So 100 and then 307, that is the reason 407, because 100 plus 307. Likewise it will go till last day of 2024, that is 16 December 2024. Okay, so the total sum for year 2024 is 4361. And when we jump to year 2023, again the YTD here resets. Okay, because new year started. So sum of price is 600, so YTD will be 600, and next day the price is 900, so YTD will be 1500, because 600 plus 900 is 1500. Likewise it will go till last day of 2025, that is 28,160 rupees. So this is how you can calculate cumulative sum or running sum for YTD. In next video I'll discuss like total MTD, total QTD. Okay, so don't forget to watch those videos. I hope you understood how we can find cumulative sum for particular year using YTD. Okay, so yeah, till then take care, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the likes and subscribe. We will meet tomorrow with total MTD. Till then, take care and bye.